a fan, Caliente Julissa from the Bronx. She challenged me to go taste this chicken, spicy chicken. The name of it is Jon and Andy's Hot Chicken. But let me tell y'all something, y'all. You're not going to find it. It's on West 41st and 8th on the corner. Girl, Julissa, please. It's in a different restaurant called Schnippers. Good luck. Tried it. But I'm here to taste this chicken, and I'm here to show down on you, Julissa. Let's go. Okay. From first looking, they give you, honey, the only value meal. You get pickles, you get the chicken wings, and a slice of bread. And they give you this cool down sauce. I ain't gonna need that. Also, with spicy foods, everyone knows you need milk. Here we go. Let's do it. I love the drumstick. I've always loved it from a little kid. I think it has more meat, to be honest. Let's go. Baby, in the name of Jesus. First bite, the spices collapse the palate, baby. The palate. Man. Oh. Julissa, I hate you, girl. Wait. Oh my God. Oh. I need the milk. Wait. Oh my God. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.